Welcome everyone. I'd like to show you how we can join two tables using Django REST Framework. I already have a project here and it's running, as you can see. And now I'd like to add an app. So I'll create an app named Patient App. So Patient App has been created. Now I'll go ahead and go inside settings.py and add this. And also add REST framework because we need this, and just type pip install Django REST framework. I already have this on my machine, so I don't need to do that. Just save it. And now let's work on our patient app. I'll add two files inside this patient app, urls.py and serializers.py. Alright, now let's create our model first. So I'll add two classes, patient and blood work details. And that's all for the string representation. Under method double underscore, it returns I'm going to return first name, self first name. Save it, copy this will be blood work. I guess let's just leave it blood work. Okay, blood work details, because blood work sounds different. Copy this. Oh, yes, that's it. And the last thing that I like to add is foreign key. So here, foreign key will be this patient ID. This patient ID, which is the primary key of patient model, will be the foreign key inside blood work details. So foreign key and the name of primary keys, class name patient, and on delete models dot cascade. This is basically telling us to delete this blood work details if the patient record is deleted. And here blood group. Alright, let's save it And I'm gonna go ahead and migrate this. Make migrations will generate script, and migrate will run the script. Right? I think. Oh, to get this admin panel, you need to create a super user. Um, the code will be something like this: manage.py. That's it. I already have one, so I don't need to do this twice. Uh, I was gonna go into admin py and register my models here. Save it, and let's see if this works. Alright, so let's go inside our patient and add 2 patients at least. And let's go inside our blood work details, and mine would be A positive. Sorry. And do B positive for the other user. That's it. Uh, Now let's go inside our app and let's work on our serializers.py. We need to import serializers. So uh, inside serializers class, I like to give the model name and then serializer. Um, so the parameter would be serializers.hyper. This is what I use, and I'll use class meta. Model would be patient, and I'm gonna import this model. Alright, and else would be I'm gonna copy and paste. That's it, and copy this. So and we're gonna copy this foreign key also. Right? So model would be to open this again. And let's rename it to work detail serializer. And the other thing that we need to do here to connect these two tables is for key. Foreign key is patient serializer. That's it. So using this for key, which is right over here, we are able to access these details in our API view. So let's work a little bit on our views now. I'll import viewset. And I'm going to import models also. Alright, just imported everything. Let's create a class named patient viewset. And the parameters it will be taking would be viewsets dot, let's see, model viewset. So using this model viewset, I can use CRUD operation action methods, and I don't need to type anything. And it will take query set. Here I will be passing patient dot objects dot all, and it will take a serializer class, and the serializer class would be patient serializer. Save it. However, we will not be using this patient view set in our API, because if you go inside our serializer, patient serializer only has these three columns. However, in this blood work detail serializer, we have uh, these three in the name of foreign key and these two as well. Alright, let's go inside our views and create another class. I guess that's it. Now I'm gonna go in my urls.py, and I need to do a little bit of copy pasting here. So from our base urls.py, let's type include here, and we're gonna do a little bit of copy pasting here. So what this means is, if there is nothing, if the URL is blank, then take me to patient apps. So go inside the URLs of patient underscore app. That's what it means. Let's copy this, paste it here. We don't need admin. Let's bring our routers. Let's register our router. First, default router needs to be called, and router dot register So um so in order to get the details of patient, our URL link can be in a raw string patient. So once you type patient slash patient slash, um, you get the details in API, and we have to pass a view set. So in view set, I'm gonna pass this view set because it will have everything. Let's get our view set, import our view set, and inside this, we only need to pass our router.urls. Let's save it. Let's see if this works. So basically we pass nothing right now. So we get this slash patient is the default. And so see, we get all this. So these two are from blood work details table, and these three are from patient's table. This foreign key is associating it with both. Alright, thank you very much for being here with me in this video tutorial. In my next video, I will be using this, I'll be consuming this API in my React view. Thank you again.